Welcome! If you own a WEMAX Nova, the aim of this video is to help you install Netflix on it in a way that it will play 4K video. Simply, you need to install the Android TV version from the Aptoide store. So if you know how to do that, you can leave now, but if not, watch on and we'll take you through the steps. First off, on your Nova, go to your home screen and then move across to the app setting. What you want to do is access your Play Store via Android TV. So open that up. Now we're going to be looking for an app named Downloader. Conveniently, it's already on my screen, you'll see, but in case it's not, simply search for it. You can use voice search or type it in. It should bring up Downloader by AFTV News, and you want to install that to your WEMAX Nova. Let that complete, and when it has, simply open up the app and then allow it to access files on your device. Close the window that pops up and you'll see there's a box where you can enter some text. We want to install Aptoide TV and there's a shortcode for this, so simply type in APT and then OI.DE. You're probably going quicker than I am. / once you find the character, TV. With that in there, you press go, and Downloader will bring you then to a web browser styled window where you can see the Aptoide TV interface. And there it is. Scroll down on the page and you'll find a button that says Download Aptoide TV. Hit that and it should then take you through and download the file. Excellent. You hit install and it will stage it, but unless you've done this previously, you're going to have to go into settings as you've just seen on the screen and allow it to install unknown apps. Now you can undo this later, but for now find Downloader, switch that on, press back on your remote and press install again. And this time it will go through the install fully and allow you to complete it. So let that run through, it won't take very long at all. And once it's done, it will bring you up to here, install anyway. You should now see that complete, and eventually it'll ask you if you'd like to open the app, and you do want to do that. So scroll down, press right, click open. Aptoide TV will now open, unsurprisingly, and it'll load. Takes a few seconds to do so. Skip through these windows and wait for it to bring you into the main interface. Now again, you're going to want to allow it to access media and files on your device. You'll see some icons start to load on the screen. Conveniently, Netflix is on the top row, but there are two of them. There's one with a black background and one with a white. We do not want the one with the black background. That's designed for mobile devices, so scroll past it. And you should find the one with the white background. Now, for any reason it's not on the top row for you, simply go up to the little magnifying glass and search for Netflix, and you should find it. But however, having found the one with the white background, this one, click install. It'll start to download and run through, but you're going to have to do this twice. The reason being, once again, we have to allow the Nova to install apps from Aptoide, much as it did with Downloader. So it will stage it. It will then throw up an error saying, are you sure you want to do this? Let's just wait for that. There we go. Let's go into settings, find Aptoide TV. And again, you can undo all of this afterwards if you want to. Switch that on, press back on your remote. But this time it's going to ask you to install again. So hit install, as you'll see on there. And this time when it downloads, it will actually go through and go into the next stage. So we wait for the bar to rise. Time to make a quick cup of tea, maybe, if it's your kettle's already boiled. Be a very quick cup of tea. Up to 90%. And any minute now, it should allow us to go into the next window. There we go, it'll stage the app. It will then hopefully ask you, would you like to install it? So again, scroll down, scroll right, hit install. It'll run through the process nice and quickly. And as before, we'll then ask you if you wish to open it. There we go, it's installed. So we open that up. And you will see Netflix start to load. Now, it'll cut screen in a minute, because once it's done this, I can't share the screen anymore. Netflix does not allow you to screen share. But all you need to do, having done that, is go on, log in with your details. Netflix works fully. You can access 4K content, works perfectly. So you can leave now, unless you want to tidy up your projector with all the bits we put in it, in which case just hang with me for a minute. What you need to do is go back into your apps window that we're in previously. You'll see Netflix is in there now, which is excellent. But we're going to remove the ones we've installed. If you want Netflix on your home screen, as you've just seen, long press your center button on your remote and select Add to Favorites. That done, we can go to Downloader, long press the center button on your remote again, hit Uninstall, and it will remove that for you, along with the permissions you granted. That will all disappear. You'll see it doesn't take very long at all to uninstall. And once that's done, it'll take us back to the app window. There we go, and we can do exactly the same thing for Aptoide TV if you don't want to use it anymore. Just long press the center button, scroll down to uninstall, hit OK, and out it comes. Ideally, you'd be installing from the Google Play Store normally anyway. So now you're back to where we started, but with Netflix on your machine. You'll see if I go over to the home screen, where we added Netflix to favorites, it's now on your top bar, and you can see it on the right. So I hope this has proven to be useful. I hope you enjoy Netflix in 4K on your Nova, and I thank you very much for listening. If you've got any questions, please feel free to send them through to the WEMAX forum. If you're not already a member, Google it and join the WEMAX official community.